Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so on today's piano tutorial we are looking at this particular song by Ebuka song. Okay, so the song title is Armor of God. Okay, so it was done in the key of G, but I'll be playing the key of F. Okay, so without much ado, let's dive into this particular song. Okay, so I will be breaking this particular tutorial down in the key of F and in the key of C. Okay, so let's dive in. So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 1. Alright, so let's check the first chord progression that we're doing. So the first chord progression started on this particular chord. Alright, so what is the chord that we are breaking down today? We are breaking this particular chord down. We are doing the D, we are doing the A, then we are doing the D. Okay, so that is the La, the Mi, the La. Okay, so all both together. Then the right hand is doing the A, is doing the D and the F. So if I mention the so fast, it will be the Mi, the La, and the Do. Mi, La, and Do. Okay. Okay, so with both hands, be like this. Then we move to the next chord. Okay, so the next chord in this particular tutorial is this particular one. Okay, so what am I playing? Okay, so let's check the left hand side first. Okay, so the left hand has the C and has the G, also the same as the So and the Re. Okay, then the right hand is doing the C, it's also doing the D, it's also doing the E, then it's also doing the G. So if I mention the so fast, it will be the So, the La, the T, and the Do. Okay, okay, so both hands. Okay, so right now we have learned two different chords right now. So the first one is this. Alright, then the second one we learned is this. Okay, then let's check the chord, the third chord we are doing for today. Okay, so we are doing this particular one. Alright, so what am I playing? I'm playing the B flat, I'm playing the F. So if I mention the so fast, it will be the Fa and the Do. Okay, then the right hand, I'm doing the B flat, I'm doing the C, I'm doing the D, I'm doing the F. If I mention the so fast, it will be the Fa, the So, the La, and the Do. Okay, okay, so both hands. Okay, so we have learned three different chords. Okay, the first one is this. Alright, the second one is this particular chord, then the third one is this. Okay, then the last chord for this lesson is this. Alright, so what am I doing? I'm doing the F, the C, the F. Right hand is doing the A, the C, and the F. Okay, so if I mention the so fast on the left, I have the Do, the So, and the Do. Right hand is doing the Mi, the So, and the Do. Okay, okay, so you know this. So let me try to sing through so that you get to see where to place your chords. The soldier without bulletproof is a dead man that is still standing. Okay, let me adjust my volume. Okay, so a soldier without bulletproof is a dead man that is still standing. A soldier without bulletproof is a dead man that is still standing. So that fine boy without Jesus Christ. You are already a dead man that is still dripping. So that fine boy, without Jesus Christ. You are already a dead man that is still dripping. So that fine girl, without Jesus Christ. You are already a dead man that is still slaying. Okay, so basically that's the chord progression they use. Okay, so let's come to the key of C. So in the key of C, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, also the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, so let's take the first chord I'm doing. Okay, the first chord I'm doing is La. Okay, so whichever key playing, I'm doing the La chord first. Alright, so in the key of C, I'm playing the A and F. Right hand is doing the E, A and C. Then this particular, the second chord is So. First one is La, the second one is So. So I'm doing the G and D on the left. Right hand is doing the C, A, B, and D. Then the third chord is the Fa. I'm doing the F and C. Right hand is doing the F, C, A, F. Then the one chord. Okay, so that is the Do, So, Do. Right hand is doing the Mi, So, Do. Okay, so let's check the La chord to the So, to the Fa, then Do. The soldier without bulletproof is a dead man that is still standing. A soldier without bulletproof is already a dead man that is still standing. So that fine boy, without Jesus Christ, you are already a dead man that is still standing. So that fine girl, without Jesus Christ, you are already a dead man that is still slaying. Okay, so that is all they use for this particular tutorial. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Bye.